Adding two-step verification to your Seller Center account is a quick and easy way to keep your information safe and secure. In this video, we'll show you how to enable and disable multi-factor authentication for all users on your account. Two-step verification adds an additional authentication step to the login process to make sure the request is really coming from you. If you enable two-step verification on your Seller Center account, you'll be required to authenticate your identity every time you log in or whenever you add a new user to your account. At the time of login, you'll provide your Seller Center password and a one-time verification code that you'll receive through your preferred authentication method. Once the verification code is sent to the authentication method of choice, it'll be valid for 10 minutes. Before you set up this extra layer of security, there are two important things you'll want to know. Number one, every user on your Seller Center account needs unique credentials that link to separate email inboxes or phone numbers where they can receive one-time verification codes. Number two, it's important to note that only sellers with admin-level access to Seller Center can set up two-step verification. If you're not an admin, you'll have to contact an admin on your team to get unique credentials. Once you have admin access to Seller Center, you can turn two-step verification on and off at any time. Here's how to do it. First, navigate to the two-step verification page in Seller Center. Then select the toggle to enable two-step verification for all users on your account. A pop-up message will appear confirming your intent to turn on the feature. Select Turn On if you're ready to continue or cancel to stop the process. Or, if you need to disable two-step verification, just follow the same process but toggle the button off. Now you know how two-step verification can protect your Seller Center account and why it's important to set it up. Don't forget to check out these other Seller Academy tutorials to keep learning.